This is Sticker It Up Animal Town, and it is a sticker book with says 650 stickers and 8 scenes. So let's check out what we got in here. Oh, I love this. It's like cute little outdoor treehouse. Oh, this one's like a face that you can make with like googly eyes. Lots of flowers to put in their hair. Okay, we've got this sweet shop. Lots of little pastries. Little outdoor camping again. Oh, look, they have a little barbecue grill. Okay, we've got this is the carnival by the beach scene. Ooh, we've got a veterinary clinic or just maybe just the animal doctor.
Yeah.
And then, some of them kind of like came off. So these stickers are the ones that they're not super sticky. They're like a plastic. Sorry, if you can see this. Yeah, they're kind of like the vinyl plastic that you just put on a locally sticker. Yeah, so they have like a little bit of static cling to them. So you can reposition them. They're very cute. Oops, not even like close. Yeah, and then it gives you a few sample scenes here that you can copy if you want to. Super cute. Great for putting in your tote bag and taking along in the car.